Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use APA format for references. We'll begin by understanding why APA style is crucial for academic writing. It helps maintain academic integrity by giving proper credit to the original authors of ideas and research. This consistency in formatting also makes it much easier for your readers to find the sources you've used, ensuring clarity and professionalism in your work. Mastering these basics is your first step to effective scholarly communication. Next, let's dive into in-text citations, which are vital for acknowledging sources within your paper. You'll primarily use two types, parenthetical and narrative. Parenthetical citations place the author's last name and the publication year in parentheses at the end of a sentence. Narrative citations, on the other hand, incorporate the author's name directly into your sentence, followed by the year in parentheses. Remember to always include a page number for direct quotes, like Jones, 2023, p12. Now, let's talk about constructing your reference list. This dedicated section appears on a new page at the very end of your paper. All entries must be alphabetized by the first author's last name, making it easy for readers to find specific sources. A key formatting detail is the hanging indent. The first line of each entry starts at the left margin, while subsequent lines are indented by 0.5 inches. This visual cue helps distinguish individual references. Finally, let's cover how to cite some common source types. For a journal article, you'll need the author, publication year, article title, journal title, volume, issue number, and page range. When referencing a book, include the author, year of publication, the book's title, and the publisher. Remember, precise details are crucial for accurate referencing. And speaking of things that make life better, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. It's a small touch that can make a big difference in your daily drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.